Hi, I'm Cheyenne with Science Museum Oklahoma Virtual Book Club, and today we're going to be learning about doodlebots. This month, Virtual Book Club is reading Isaac Asimov's I, Robot and exploring the world of robotics. A doodlebot is a simple drawing robot made of some relatively easy to find materials. Here's what you'll need to make a doodlebot. 4 markers, a AA battery, 1 AA battery clip, a small DC motor that you can get from a hobby shop or an electrical toothbrush, 1 counterweight, we used half of a cork, 1 cup, 1 clothespin, 2 1-inch tin foil strips, 1 binder clip, electrical tape, wire strippers, and masking tape. Be sure to be very careful using these tools and always have adult supervision. First, let's check our battery and make sure that everything is working. Strip a little insulation from the end of each of the wires of the battery pack. Place your battery into the battery pack. Take the end of one of the battery pack wires and wrap it around the tab at the back of the motor. Touch the other battery pack wire to the other connection of the motor. Make sure that your motor is rotating and working. So, is it spinning? Great! Now let's move on to making the switch. First thing you'll need to make your switch is a clothespin. And you're going to secure that open with the binder clip. Take a strip of tin foil and wrap it around one side of the clothespin. Slide the wire from your battery pack between the layers of tin foil on the outside of your clothespin. Secure with tape, leaving some tin foil exposed. Do the same thing to the other side of the clothespin, this time placing the wire from the motor under the tin foil. Now I'm going to take off the binder clip to close my circuit and make sure that all of our connections are good. Hey, wow, it works! Now, let's put it all together. We're going to use a normal plastic cup to create the doodlebot's body. These are easy to find and pretty sturdy, but you can use any light solid object that you can tape or glue stuff onto. First, decide where you want to place your battery. I'm going to tape mine right on top, leaving it slightly off center so there's room for my motor. I love tape. I'm also going to secure my motor onto the top, making sure there's enough clearance on the edge for my cork to spin when the doodlebot is turned on. Let's remove the binder clip and let's test it out. It works! Now that we know our electrical components are working and in place, let's work on the legs of our doodlebot. First, plan where the legs need to go. Using tape, secure your first marker in place. Make sure it's marker side down. Tape time! Do this for the remaining markers, except the last one. With the last marker, stand the doodlebot up and make sure all legs touch your drawing surface. Now just remove your binder clip and let your doodlebot go. So now that we know that it works, let's get some paper in here and make some art. Make sure to keep it on the drawing surface because your parents won't thank you for that. For a more detailed conversation on robotics and Isaac Asimov's I, Robot, join us on May 25th for Science Museum Oklahoma Virtual Book Club.